Homes in 97% of U.S. cities are overvalued. That's according to financial services company Moody's analytics. And that includes houses here in Boise. The study comes as mortgage rates hit their highest level since 2009. Shira Matsuzawa joins us now with what that means for anyone looking to buy a house in our growing Idaho. Shira?
Well, Doug, as if some prospective home buyers didn't already have a number of things stacked against them when it comes to our current housing market, this increase in the mortgage rate is just another added obstacle. If you've recently checked out real estate listings in the Gem State, no surprise here, you probably didn't find as many options as you hoped for. A lack of inventory has been a problem for folks trying to buy a house. And now they'll have to deal with another hurdle.
We've seen rates rise quite a bit these last couple of months.
Jared Cook is the state manager for mortgage at Zions Bank. Earlier this week, the Federal Reserve increased the 30-year mortgage rate to 5.27%. From 5.1% last week, making it the highest it's been in 13 years. Compare that to a year ago, when the average rate stood at 2.96%. The increase, part of an effort to battle the worst inflation in 40 years. Cook says as a result, Zions has seen some of its borrowers now look to switch from a 30-year fixed mortgage to an adjustable rate, just to help them qualify for a home easier.
Meaning the interest rate's quite a bit lower on an adjustable rate mortgage compared to a 30-year fix. For every 1% the interest rate rises, you can expect to pay approximately $300 more a month on a $500,000 mortgage.
Making things even tougher for those who are trying to buy a house in an already tough housing market.
More than ever, they need to know where their credit score is, make sure that they're paying down debts, maybe save for a little bit more of a down payment. That way they're going to get the best rate possible and be able to afford more of a home mortgage.
Cook also encourages prospective homebuyers to talk to at least 3 different loan officers and really shop around in this market because banks and mortgage companies have different products and rates. He adds, whatever they say they can do for you, make sure to get it in writing.
A lot of people are trying to decide whether it's a good time to buy a home or not. And I'd recommend that they go and lock in their rate now and find their home, because the Federal Reserve is saying that they're going to continue to raise interest rates the rest of this year.
Now, we mentioned earlier how financial services company Moody's analytics found homes in 97% of U.S. cities are overvalued. They also found Boise homes are 73% overvalued, making it the most overpriced city in the nation. Doug?
I guess that's not a surprise from what we've been seeing with the housing prices here. But again, Cook says that it looks like the interest rates will keep going up.
Right. And something that he did say was in his career, though, he hasn't seen them go up this fast or this quickly. So, that's why he was saying if that's in your future is to buy a home, that's what you want to do, now's the time.
And shop around, as you
Right.
said. All right,
Absolutely.
Shira, thank you so much.